Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC van, a stunning blend of luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology that redefines what a premium van can be. Mercedes has always been known for its elegance and engineering precision, but this time, they've taken it a step further by merging the comfort of a luxury SUV with the versatility of a modern van. The result is something truly remarkable, a vehicle built for families, professionals, and travelers who refuse to compromise between style and space. At first glance, the 2026 GLC van makes a bold impression. The design language is sleek, futuristic, and unmistakably Mercedes. The front fascia is dominated by a large digital grille with the illuminated three-pointed star that glows elegantly at night. The adaptive LED matrix headlights are slimmer, sharper, and seamlessly integrated into the aerodynamic body lines. Every curve and contour of this van has been sculpted for both aesthetics and efficiency, reducing drag while maintaining that commanding Mercedes presence on the road. The massive panoramic windows give it a modern, executive shuttle vibe, and the optional 20-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch to its refined look. Moving inside, the GLC van sets a new benchmark for luxury interiors in its class. Step in, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional van. Soft touch materials, genuine leather upholstery, and ambient lighting that can shift through 64 customizable colors create a relaxing environment. The centerpiece of the interior is the new 14.4-inch curved OLED infotainment display, seamlessly connected with a 12.3-inch digital driver cluster. The MBUX 3.0 system responds to natural voice commands and integrates with your smartphone through wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Mercedes has also focused on passenger comfort, offering adjustable captain seats with built-in massage, heating, and ventilation functions. The second and third rows can be electronically adjusted or folded flat for extra cargo space, while the cabin's acoustic insulation ensures that every journey feels calm and quiet. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC van offers impressive performance for its segment. The base model comes with a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 295 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. For those seeking more power, there's a plug-in hybrid variant that combines the turbo engine with an electric motor, delivering up to 400 horsepower with instant torque and exceptional fuel efficiency. Mercedes' latest 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides superb traction on all surfaces, making it equally at home in the city or on long highway drives. The new 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and the adaptive air suspension delivers an exceptionally smooth ride, even on rough roads. Drivers can switch between multiple driving modes: comfort, sport, eco, and individual, adjusting throttle response, steering, and suspension for the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. When it comes to safety, Mercedes leaves nothing to chance. The GLC van is equipped with the latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting cars.